Want to learn how to draw Avatar World cartoons in just a few easy steps? Let's go! Hey friends, welcome to Nokris Easy Drawing Hub. I'm Nokris, and here we make drawing super fun and simple for everyone. Today, I'll show you step by step how to draw an amazing Avatar World character. So grab your pencil, let's go! Thanks for watching everyone. I'm Nokris, and you've been drawing with me here at Nokris Easy Drawing Hub. Today, bringing an Avatar World cartoon to life together. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, I will be very appreciate, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming drawings. Comment below and tell me which character or cartoon you'd like me to draw next. I will see you in the next drawing video. Bye for now!